Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Netflix error that says, you have downloads on too many devices. Please remove downloads from another device or go to netflix.com/plan. If you're facing this problem whenever you try to download a movie or series on Netflix, and it keeps showing up again and again, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. So as you can see here, whenever I try to download, I keep getting this error. But the good news is you can easily fix it. So let's get started without wasting any time. Step 1. First, you need to check for updates of your Netflix app. To do this, simply open the App Store on your iPhone, then search for Netflix. If you see an update option, go ahead and update your app. This is important to make sure you're running the latest version. Step 2. Once updated, open your Netflix app again. Go to My Netflix, then tap on the Download section. Here, you'll see all the movies and series you've already downloaded. If you've downloaded a lot of content, simply remove some of it. For example, I'll remove one here. Just tap on the movie or series and select Remove Download. Do this for any extra content you don't need. Step 3. After removing old downloads, try downloading a new movie or series again. This time, the problem should be fixed. So that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.